You will beg me to love a woman like you, but I will make your life hell. You have to pay for the slap. I'll not touch you, but I'll be hurt mentally. First you hurt Angela and I'll never forget anything. You have to pay mine. He spoke to himself and started walking while she was already walked out without caring about him. He was burning in anger. And then wound up on her eyes and she started up breathing heavily. It was just a dream. She looked at herself and he was sitting in front of her in the couch. He smiled and she gave him a hateful look. He spoke, "Were you dreaming about me?" She moved the bracket and was, "Of course not. You are not that important." She looked at the mirror which was in front of her. She was in the right spot, which meant that and she was regretting. She couldn't believe that she did that. She was standing there and got up and walked towards her, so stood in front of her. "I know what you are thinking." She opened her eyes and he was in front of her. She stepped back. "Why are you running away from me?" Even knowing everything that was an essential. Still stranger, we are husband and wife, so forgot everything which happened in the past. She was staring at me without understanding anything. "I mean, we can live like husband and wife happily," he just said. "Chicky, don't know you always loved you. What are you talking about?" But what was to make me cross when he was was the rumor. She was staring at him in eyes way of manipulation. "But you know what? I'm not dumb. Keep all the shit here. You're talking about to yourself because I know you very well. I know you want to play with me, and I never did let that happen." "Really? But why you're not believing me? Any reason? Why do you think that I will hurt you? Didn't you love Angela? And why do you use her to get closer to me? I know you want revenge of your late uncle from me. Plus, you are my family. I'm your target. First of all, I didn't use her, and then why would I even get revenge of my uncle from you? You didn't hurt him, and why do you hurt me? I'm still your friends whom you love." "Shut up. Why are you even talking about? Don't you have a shame? Not everything is talk about. And I did what I wanted, so get out of my way. I don't think that I fought for your manipulation. You want to run from me because of Angela, and I will let that happen. Never let that to do that. He knew it was funny." She came into the bathroom and after Sam was standing in front of the mirror. Her heartbeat was so fast and she didn't know what to do. Why he was talking like that? What does he want from me? "I know he's trying to manipulate me. I'll not fall for it. He knows me very well. I'm not weak," he said while splashing water on her face. After the dinner, she was sitting with him and Angela was sitting in front of them. She rolled her eyes while giving her side eyes. Their families were so happy and talking. He was also busy with talking when my mom was sitting silently and she wasn't looking sad. She was looking normal and that was making one feel weird and forced her. Suddenly his mother called her. "Why, if you ever say something to you, then you can tell us." When it was smiling, he looked at her. "You know what? You look good in a fake smile." She looked at him. "And you look horrible in everything. Why are you so childish? Do you have a problem?" "Really? But you said last time you loved it is twice her eyes when I didn't say that." "You said no, you don't remember." She turned her face. "Do you want? What do you want? I will not follow your manipulation. Chance. Why do you like the mention?" she asked. She pushed his hand and started nodded was smiling. He narrowed his eyes. "Jungle, did you sleep well?" And the sudden Jungle man looked at her with a picture look. "Yes, you don't have to worry about me." He said. She smiled and one was staring at her while their marriage was but she didn't want them to get together at that one. Didn't want to go in that room, but she still had to. She wanted to separate the room, but she entered the room and he was sitting on the chair while checking some files. She walked towards the bed and sat down. She knew that he was playing a game with her, but she lay down, he was tired and fell asleep. She opened her eyes and he was sitting in front of her. "I was checking if you have slept or not." "Did you think that I was pretending?" "No." "Then I just want to stare at you." "Then why are you done with something? Your baby is so keep it separate now. Why do you start whining me?" "Baby, not now, Jungle, please. Why are you always trying to manipulate me?" "I'm not manipulating you. Why can't you believe me? I love you and I did that just to get you back. I don't love her and she knows it. I don't know about it. Rumors would make everyone so worried and my parents would try to do something for it, so I asked them to give me hope." "Are you crazy? Have you lost your mind? Do you even know what you are talking about? You are looking like a psychopath. Why do you even separate that? You can directly ask me." "So would you accept me after that?" "No, I still won't accept you because you have become a baby cry." She was about to lay down and he grabbed her and put it on his face. "Janko, stop it. You are trying to do what you are trying to do. I'm not liking it. Or is it just your way of getting much? I know you got mad because of business. So stop trying to manipulate me, Jahan. Why are you not believing me? At first I didn't want to tell you. But I thought you should keep it hidden. Now leave me and sleep." The next morning, she woke up and she was sitting in that place. She looked at him and he looked at her. He didn't sleep at night. "Jack, why are you staring at? Like you care. What's wrong with you? Stop it. What do you want me to back to? Stop it." He said while getting up. She said while back down off the bed. In the office, Amy had gone crazy, saying that he did that just to get closer to me. Don't believe him, he's trying to manipulate you. He was doing that just to get closer to you, then why he always put that giving you to you to warn you. I have never such a manipulative man. Then Amy knew that you always liked him, that he was doing that. You're not always jealous after seeing him with another woman. You always feel jealous after seeing that he was just with Angela. Why you always provoke Angela? And don't try to lie because I know you very better and believe me, he's lying. I never liked him and got jealous. After that, one was sitting over there, our friend came and she got shocked and happy after seeing him. She met him, started talking to him while Ted standing beside him, and then Django came into the company. He saw them talking like they were so close, and he had looked at them. He had never looked at it like that. She pulled her president. Nice to meet you, smiled, and then he walked her. Django looked at her and she pushed him. What is wrong with you? Who was that man? Of course, he's my friend, and why did you ask me? It's not your concern, it's my concern because I'm your husband now. Who cares for your trap? Can't you believe me? No, she was about to go, but he grabbed her hand. Do you really don't not like my love? And she looked at him. Yes, I never loved you like him. She lied, but her daughter. Yeah, broke his heart. He left her and she walked her without even looking back. After back, she went to the mansion and I entered the room. He was sitting on the chair and didn't even look at her. She went to change her clothes and came back to sleep. She laid on her. He still didn't care about her, but I realized he wasn't in the room. He closed his eyes thinking that. The next morning she woke up, he wasn't in the room. She did her morning drink and walked her. When she came to the dining table, he was sitting there eating breakfast. She was beside him, but he got up and she looked at him, but without looking at her, he grabbed his coat and walked out. She was staring at him like dumb. She felt weird and hurt. At the office, he came and sat down beside him. She looked at him, but he didn't. The meeting began. Evan was also there. Evan was so personal described one because he knew Yanko's case for her. But the whole meeting he didn't say about her, looked at her. After the meeting he got up and walked her by, suddenly starting doing that. At night he was staring at the pool, so who was sitting beside him and they were talking about business. His mind was on her. He didn't know what his friends were saying. He had listened and got up and went out of there. He entered the room and she was sitting only, but she looked at him and he didn't. His hand was breathing. She got up and walked towards him. What did this happen? He asked him. I'm trying to grab it. Just tell me. Why are you behaving so jealous? He closed the door and she was standing in front of him. She banged on the door angrily. You deserve this. He came out and why are you showing your tea? Cheap attitude. You know that I don't care. If you don't, then why are you asking? She got up and walked to him. Because I want to. Do you have a problem? Just do what I'm saying. He was feeling at her. But he broke it and she was feeling at him, but I don't. She was denying him, but she thought that he was lying. She was fake a person. I won't believe you. I saw your case for her. 2 months later, she was sitting in the party and Amy was sitting beside her. One was staring at the paper. What are you doing? Nothing, don't lie. But what do you want? Always, why do you try to find her? He will everyone here looked at him and said, Amy, stop it. But he just don't want to accept it. I'm your, I'm your, I'm your friend and you are in your fear of him going away from you. You don't want him to go too far. You still try to do everything to get his attention like you used to do. You know, Angela, just because of him. Let me start his playing with me. Why he's doing this to me? I'm a trap for him. But why did he forget we used to be best friends? But he chose to play with me. I will not wait to divorce him if I ever see him with him. With her, while he was talking towards her, but Angela came and he stopped and looked at her. Did you get jealous? Of course. He smiled. You can't even hide your jealousy. When she was talking about business, nothing else. You don't have you won't have to worry. You promised that I will never go to her. I don't care if you go to her. You were sitting there. She was sitting silently and there was no voice in the car. He was silently was driving towards the mansion. She was silently she was walking with herself. Even though she considered him a driver, she had a sweet spot for him in her heart. She looked at him and smiled and she just looked at her. She didn't want him to fall in love with him. The next day she was sitting on the mat was staring at the floor. All his words were ringing in her mind. He wanted to use to her money and she was really going crazy. She didn't know what to do because she did everything which was making her going crazy. She looked at him when he was sleeping peacefully. He entered the office and looked at him. Why did you come without waking me up? Something wrong, something comes and he asked and he looked at him. What's wrong? Nothing. At night he looked at her and she was looking so abandoned. What's wrong? Nothing. I'm just was feeling good. He opened his arms and she looked at him and smiled. She went to his arms and he looked at him. He was started patting her back softly. She was hugging him tightly. Her eyes were closed. He thought that she was just tired, but he didn't leave her. She slept and he made her lay down. 3 months passed and the psychiatrist gave me the file. While I looked at her while her face was blank. Also, psychiatrist gave me the file while I orbited all opening it. That when she opened her heart to doctor because her daughter was too majestically many times and was tears became to her heart broken to pieces. She entered the room and each betray was killed because she knew that he was with her and he took her with her. On the business trip, she put the phone on the table as friends was drinking in her mind. She knew that she was manipulated and used by him. She never told him that she just loved him, and but she was heartbroken. She responded. She got up by crying and destroyed the things but anything of her and coffee. She never prayed she couldn't stop that from him. She thought that he thought that he was saying the truth, but that was all fake. And now she just cried and cried. She was sitting in front of him while the tears didn't stop falling. When I told you not to fall for this trap. I know I did a mistake, but I can't wait to bear it now. I have made up my mind. Yes, leave that toxic man. After having the whole week, he waited for him, didn't even call him. He was calling her like crazy. He entered the mansion and looked around mine. He called her name mine, but there was no response. Okay. Maid came out of the room and handed him the paper. She was saying that I gift for you. But where is she? I don't know. Go now. The maid walked out anyway. I quietly grabbed his cell phone. He was shocked after seeing the paper. He picked up it and didn't want to leave. He went out behind her. He went to her house and she wasn't there. Amy told her where she was. He stopped his car and came out of him. She was sitting while looking at the waves. She looked at back and did you like my surprise? Yes, no, I've gone crazy. Why did you send me those? I wonder, and don't you ever think about her? Why would I even give you without a reason? You made her secret, still asking you, still decide to hurt me just for her. Have you loved? Have you really lost me because I didn't marry anyone? Then who gave you this fake news? Don't try to manipulate me. You know you that you are just trying to deny it. He grabbed her and I pulled her towards him. I didn't marry her, but you don't believe me, then come with me. He brought up Angela and his parents after knowing everything. She was unembarrassed. Angela told her everything, even the blackmail that got closer. The parent line that was one who believed that. But Angela told her everything that was only planning and never left Angela did everything just to get closer. When they were sitting on me, she was asking many questions. My what was there when you were throwing and breaking things when they know that you were watching? I just wanted to show my parents I could bring you to me. They were ashamed and proud of myself. And he started laughing and literally crying all the way. She said, I'm sorry, but you should ask me. I thought that you were angry at me. That was you were picking up my calls. But I didn't even realize that you were thinking about it. I'm sorry for having I never wanted to hurt you. You're so precious to me. Really, when you left it in my house, but I did tell you, but you didn't put that in your bag. Next day, I learned that I had about my feelings in Angela. Just to see your reaction, I'm sorry. No need to system because also stalk you so much. You look like strong. You know what that was what I did because I just wanted to see you. Miss Java dropped. That's why are you giving me this? Like we did all this and they tell me both are equally. She smiled and hugged him. They later was smiling, he kissed her and as he told him many things. They did so many to get with each other attention, but never confessed before the marriage. But they lived happily after because everything was clear between them.